In today's session, we are going to discuss value per pip or pip value. All right. So what is pip value? This simple question simply asks us how much one pip is worth. So the value per pip or the pip value simply asks how much is one pip worth. All right? Yes. So the pip value, calculations of the pip value depends on two things. Depends on two things, okay? So first, it depends on the lot size that you want to use, and secondly, it depends on the quote currency, okay? The quote currency of that particular currency pair. So let me explain. We will first start with how lot sizes affects the value per pip. So A, we'll start with the lot size. So remember when we were learning on how to calculate position sizing and lot sizes, what did we say? We said that one standard lot, we said that one standard lot equals to how many units? 100,000 units equals to 100,000 units. All right. So in terms of value per pip, it was $10 per pip. All right. Yes. Good. So this is how the lot size affects value per pip. All right. What about the mini lot? One mini lot equals to how many units?
10,000 units.
10,000 units. What is the value per pip? Yes? $1. $1 per pip. All right. What about one micro lot? One micro lot. What about one micro lot? How many units? 1,000 units, which is equivalent to how one pip is worth 0.1. Okay, $0.1 per pip. Good. I see that you understood something. So this means that 10 mini lots equals to one standard lot. Okay, 10 mini lots. Mini lots equals to one standard lot. And what about 10 micro lots? 10 micro lot equals to one mini lot. So that is how they relate. All right? Yes. This is how lot size affects the value per pip. Secondly, we are now going to learn how the quote currency affects the pip value. All right? Good. So this one only applies if your quote currency is in US dollars. All right? So when you are trading Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD. Okay? So this type of lot sizes only applies when your quote currency is in USD. So what if we say that our quote currency is in euro? Okay? What would be our lot sizes here? One standard lot of 100,000 units would be 10 euros per pip. All right. So here would have 10 euros per pip. What about one mini lot of 10,000 units? It will be 1 euro per pip. All right. What about micro lot worth 1,000 units? It will be 0.1 euros per pip. All right. Good. We are going to look at this example. All right. So if you're done with this, let us rub and look at an example right away. Example. Let us look at an example. Let's say you trade Euro USD and you buy 2.3 standard lot. Okay? So let's say you buy 2.3 what? Standard lot. The question is, how much is the value per pip? Okay? What do we know? We know that one mini lot is equals to $1 per pip. All right?
Yeah.
We know that one mini lot equals to how? $1 per pip. Okay? In this case, it is 22.3 standard lot. Okay? Good. So if one mini lot is equals to $1 per pip, this means that 23 mini lots, okay, mini lots will be equal to how many dollars?
$23.
$23. Good. $23 per pip. Good. Do we do another example so that you understand much further?
Yes.
Yes. So let us look at maybe at another example. And in this example, let us use something else other than US dollar as a quote currency.
GBP AUD.
GBP AUD.
Yeah.
Okay. GBP AUD. We do what? We buy, okay? We buy how many lots? 5, let us say 5.5 mini lots. And the question is, how much is value per pip? All right. So we said one mini lot equals to $1 per pip. Okay. So one mini lot is equals to $1 per pip. All right. So if you have 5 mini lots, if you have 5.5 mini lots, how much is one pip? It will be 5.5. So it will be 5.5 US dollars per pip. Good. So we should note it is not US dollars. Why? Because AUD is the quote currencies. So the dollars here, it is in AUD. All right. So here it is in AUD. All right.
Yes.
Good. So we are saying is 5.5 AUD per pip. Okay. Therefore, in the next step is to translate AUD to USD. All right. Depending on your account currency. Okay. Remember, if your account currency is different than your quote currency, you must translate the quote currency to the of that account currencies. All right. Let us go now direct to calculations. How do we calculate? How do we calculate the numbers of the value per pip? Okay. Let us go to the calculations very fast. Okay. Let us look at the calculations. Let us look at the calculations. Before we go there, we must look at the formula for calculating pip value. So the formula for calculating pip value equals to standard pip value, standard pip value multiplied by what? We had looked at this, lot size divided by what? Current market price. Current market price. All right? Good. So we say JPY pairs, the standard pip value, the standard pip value for JPY pairs, we said is 0.01. All right? Yes. Good. And the standard pip value for non-JPY pairs, what did we say? For non-JPY pairs, like Euro USD, GBP USD, AU USD, it is 0.0001. Good. So this is the standard pip value for JPY pairs and non-JPY pairs. All right? Yes. Good. Have you noted this down? Yes. Good. So let us look at one example. All right? So let us look at our first example. Our first example, let's say we are looking at the JPY pair. All right? JPY pair. Which JPY pair do you want us to look? Let us say USD JPY. All right? USD JPY. I want to know the current market price for USD JPY right now. The current market price for USD JPY, it is 105 105.600. All right? Remember, our standard lot is equals to how many units? Our standard lot equals to 100,000 units. All right? Yes. Yes. So, and our standard pip value for JPY pairs is 0.01. Okay? So, our standard pip value in this case is 0.01. We are now asked what is the value per pip in this example. Our current market price is at 105.600. Our standard lot is 1,000 units and our standard pip value is 0.01. So if we take these calculations very fast, our standard pip value is 0.01 multiplied by what? Our lot size. All right? So what is our lot size? Is 100,000 units. All right? 100,000 units divided by our current market price, which is 105.600. Who will calculate this fast and tell us what you'll get? It is, yes, 9.46 dollars per pip. Good. So our value per pip in this case, when the current market price is at 105.600, the value per pip equals to 9.46 dollars per pip. Okay? Yes. How is that? Is someone getting anything? Or are you confused? Remember, we are going to look more and more of these examples so that you really understand. All right? Remember, value per pip calculations, it is at the heart of risk management. Okay? You understand what is a pip, how to calculate pip difference, how to calculate your position sizes and your lot sizes, and again, you know how to calculate value per pip. You are you are going to be very good when it comes to risk management. Okay? Good. Can we look at another example? Okay? We look at another example. So we wrap this. Is that right?
Yes.
So we wrap this and look at another example. Another example, let's say example 2. Example 2. Example 2, let's say we look at, let's say Euro USD. Okay?
Yes.
Euro USD. Okay? We look at the Euro USD. What is the current market price? The current market price of Euro USD right now is 1.888 or 18298. Okay, this is the current market price. What is the standard pip value? The standard pip value of Euro USD is 0.0001. Is that so?
Yes.
What about the standard lot value? The standard lot, the standard lot is equals to 100,000 units. All right. So if we are to calculate the value per pip, we will take the standard pip value, which is 0.0001 multiplied by this lot size, all right, yes, which is 100,000 units divided by the current market price. It will be like this: 0.0001 multiplied by what? 100,000 units divided by what? The current market price, which is 1.18, right? 298. Can someone calculate this fast? Where are your calculators? And tell me what you find. It is? Yes, it is 8.45. All right? 8.45. Okay? Since the base currency in Euro USD is based in euros, this will be in euros. Is that so?
Yes.
Because the base currency here in this currency pair, it is in euros. Okay? So this one will be euros. So to convert this to USD, what do we do to convert these euros to USD? You multiply this by the current market price. Okay, so it will be like 8.45 euros multiplied by 1.18298 will get how many US dollars? 9.9999. If you round off this, we get $10 per pip. Any questions about this calculation? You've understood that?
Yes.
Let us look at the last example. Let us look at the last example. Example 3. Example 3, let us look at an exciting currency pair like AUD what? AUD NSD. What is the current market price for that pair? AUD NSD. Can you confirm from your MT5s the current market price?
1.0871.
The current market price is 1.08721. That is the current market price. What is the standard pip value? 0.0001. Why? Because it is a non-JPY pair. Alright? What is the standard lot value? 100,000 units. All right?
Yes.
Good. So when we want now to calculate our value per pip, it will be 0.0001 multiplied by 100,000 units divided by what? Our current 1.08 721. Can someone calculate this and tell me what's the answer? Remember, it will be in AUD. All right? It is 9.19 AUD. All right?
Yes.
Remember, our account currency is in US dollars. It is not in AUD. How do we convert AUD to USD? So to convert AUD to USD, you multiply this 9.19 AUD by the current market price for AUD USD. Okay? I know that you do that very fast. You multiply this by the current price of AUD USD. All right? Good. So any question about that? Any questions about the calculations of pip value? Good. It is very important to note that value per pip is not static. All right? It is not static. It changes depending on the currency pair, commodity that you are trading, or the indices that you are trading. Please go and do a lot of homework on this. Take all of your pairs, the EJ, GU, AUD, JPY, commodities, and even indices. Try to calculate their value per pip using this formula and see whether you got it right or wrong. In any case, if there is anything that you'll find hard, please, when we meet in the next class, ask those questions. Remember, you know how to calculate value per pip. You'll be able to be accountable for your profits and your losses. All right?
Yes.
Let us meet in the next class. All right?